Today, we are going to show you how easy it is to personalize and order a ready-to-hang canvas print. Visit our website at www.ormsprintroom.co.za. It is essential to firstly register an account before starting your project. Click on My Account. This will open the option to log in or register. Fill in your email address and a password in the Register section. Then click on Register. I am going to choose to log in because I have already registered an account. On the left, you will find your account options. This is where you will access your saved projects in future to edit them or reorder completed projects. Now you can click on the Printing tab and then click on Standard Canvas in the Decor Print Solutions drop-down menu. On this product page, you can see more information regarding the printing method and materials used, available sizes and pricing, as well as what the different canvas image wrap options look like. Let's start creating our canvas. Click on Create Now. You can choose between square, landscape, and portrait format. Then select the size you would like to create. Now you will need to add the image you would like to use. Click on Computer. Select the image you would like to use. And then simply drag and drop the image onto the canvas. Now you can click on the center of the canvas to edit your image. You can move around your image and position it on the canvas or zoom in or out to crop it. There are rotation or flipping options and the option to change your image opacity, as well as some photo effects you can apply. You can also add text by clicking on the Add Text button. Let's look at the canvas wrap options. This is the part of the canvas that wraps around the sides of the stretcher bar. You can choose from mirror wrap, hover over your image to see the effect, solid color. You can choose your own color here. The default is black. Pixel extend, or image wrap. When you are happy with your crop and wrap choice, you can click on Add to Cart. You can now go and create additional items to add to your cart, or you can choose to check out now. In the shopping cart, you can order multiple copies of your design. If you have a voucher code, it can be applied now. If you would like us to ship your order to you, you can now calculate the shipping fee by adding your delivery address. Your courier fee will now be listed, or you will have the option to change it to a store collection. You can now proceed to the checkout. Please fill in your billing details, and it is important to list a cell phone number and address. These details will not need to be filled in again in future, but can be edited if they change. You have the option to ship to an alternative address. Unclick this if you do not require it. A summary of your order will appear at the bottom of the page. Review your details and click on Proceed. You will now make your payment. Choose to pay by card or secure instant EFT. After payment, you will get prompted that your order has been received with the details of your order and your order number. You will also receive an email with a summary of your order details. Now you can sit back, relax, and our team will do the rest. We will be in touch as soon as your order is ready for collection or delivery.